What's going on, guys? Hope everyone is having a awesome and a wonderful day. My name is Sanjeev, and make sure I stay all the way till the end because I wanted to share with you about this awesome company that I've actually joined. It's been close to 2 months. I'm actually getting my investment to make more money for me on a continuous daily basis, and this is just one of the platforms that I'm actually using to be able to make that $700, $800 every single day on a consistent basis, right? And he has 4 different ways you can be earning income from this actual system and platform. The company has been around for a very long time. It's legit, and that is what I'm doing, and that's the reason I'm actually moving out of YouTube because of the passive system. If any of you have known me, you have probably seen my story, different business that I've started, YouTube automation, that being one, drop shipping, and also I was also into Amazon FBA, right? But I haven't personally seen any online business that can make me money so easily. So if you also struggling with your YouTube automation channel and you're not seeing that success, even you have been doing it for a while, you're not being able to break out of that $500 per day, $1,000 per day, this company can help you and pretty much let your money grow for me on a daily basis, and it can actually do the same for you, right? So make sure you stay all the way, because now I'll be playing the quick video from this company so you can see what this actual system can do for you. So again, thank you so much, and my name is Sanjeev. God bless you all.
Welcome to the world of CyroFX, where we offer a multitude of investment options for investors. We're about to introduce you to the business plan curated by experienced investment advisory and networking experts after considering factors like risk, interest, bonuses, and returns. Let's discover different investment packages available, as well as the types of wallets and income possibilities. At CyroFX, we believe in the power of multiple indices. There are endless possibilities when it comes to earning. We offer you 6 income options that includes ROI, matching, referral, regional growth plan, revenue share payout, and additional growth. ROI stands for the daily profits you earn on your investments depending on the package you have chosen. Investors earn referral commission based on the amount referred person's investment. Binary income is determined by 1-to-1 ratio of the combined sales volume from your network's 2 branches. Matching limit refers to the maximum cap on income gained through binary commission earnings. Here's what each of them offers you. Stable investment plans offer consistent and reliable returns over a specified period, minimizing risks and volatility with consistent, moderate, prime, and elite options to choose from. Fluctuating plan provides a dynamic plan with a return on investment fluctuating on a daily basis with adherence to the principles of Sharia laws. Get a never-before chance to elevate your income with a franchise regional growth plan, a proven and successful formula that works on capitalist and venture capitalist models respectively. Become a part of our capitalist franchise network with only an investment of $15,000. Venture Capitalist gives you an opportunity to earn higher share in profits with an initial investment of $50,000. You also have revenue share payout equivalent to 5% of daily ROI deposited in the revenue wallet for withdrawal on 5th and 20th of every month. The users also have the option to redeem this payout to purchase a new package. With a 5% revenue share model, the user is eligible for a payout based on the return of investment. Additional growth leverage, an attractive boost of 20% on the cumulative binary income that you have earned. You also earn a bonus of 20% as additional income over the binary income already made by you. We have 9 levels of additional growth plan with different goals and rewards. Seize the opportunity of claiming your daily login benefit of 20 cents while inactive users also get a benefit of 10 cents every time they log in. Earn a referral commission of 8% and matching commission of 9% with us. Finally, you have the 5 wallets comprising of deposit, CFX, revenue, and active and passive wallets that are involved in the process of transferring funds from the respective wallets to the user's personal wallet. CyroFax brings multiple programs for you, including stable investment plans, fluctuating plan, capitalist and venture capitalist models, revenue share, payout, additional growth plan, and login bonuses for the users. Start your journey today.